Hi, it's Heather from the Ringwood Library. I'm here today to tell you about our new KEVA Plank Science-to-go Kit that you can borrow from us and practice the engineering design process. What is the engineering design process? Well, it is a series of steps that engineers go through when they build something. Now, engineers don't build things just because. They do it for a purpose, and they really have to think about what they are building, how they're building it, and why they're building it. They ask lots of questions along the way, and they do a lot of trial and error. So they build something, they try it out, doesn't work, they try again. They improve upon what they've learned. So today, I'm going to show you how you can use our KEVA planks to kind of practice this idea in science. With our KEVA planks, you can build towers, you can build bridges, and so much more. But we're going to focus on towers and bridges today. Now, you can build a fancy tower like the one we have over here. You can make fancy designs and make it pretty. But when engineers are thinking about building a tower, they have to ask lots of questions. Do I want it to be really tall? Do I want it to be really sturdy? Am I in an earthquake zone? Take our tower challenge and build the tallest tower you can with just 40 of the KEVA planks. Make it tall, make it sturdy, make some nice designs in it, and be frugal with your materials. Think about your materials and the size and shape of them. You could build a tall tower using the length side up, but guess what? It's not very sturdy. Your tower would probably fall over. You could then use more materials and make it more sturdy, maybe. But is that wasting material? You know, you're using more of it, it's going to cost more. Engineers think about this stuff. So you have to think about other ways to use your materials and how you can build with them. All right, so take that challenge. See how high you can make a sturdy tower, but see if you can make it really tall. The kit does come with a measuring tape, so you can build a tower, see how high it is, build another one, and see if you can make it higher. Or you can build bridges. So take a sheet of paper and pretend it's a river. Use different sizes, okay? So I have a narrow river, I have a wide river. Is it going to be the same kind of bridge that goes across each? Probably not. All right, so across my narrow river, I have a simple cantilever bridge. So I'm going to test it. Make sure you test your products. I'm going to test it with my pedestrian. It holds up to the pedestrian. Great. But unfortunately, my car cannot fit on this bridge. So I would have to change the bridge, build it a little bit differently. And that would work. This is very simple, very simple. I don't even have an on-ramp or an off-ramp to this bridge. So you would need to come up with a better design. Now, to make a design to go across a wide bridge, you're going to need to think a little bit more because these planks can't reach across that river. So try it out, see what you find. You can do this activity at home to test out your skills at building bridges. Take 2 books and some string and try to create a suspension bridge. So the string will act as the road across the bridge and the books are the towers at either end. Now I'm going to apply some pressure to the road across my bridge and see how well it holds up. Not too good. So we need to think, how can we improve this design? Over here, I've created another suspension bridge, but now I've added some supports to either side of the bridge and connected the road with extra support. My road up here, I'm going to apply the pressure and it holds up much better. So play around with some books and some string and see if you can build a really great suspension bridge.